Picture this scene. You're walking home from school, and your path takes you down a deserted city street. Suddenly, you hear a faint noise coming from the shadows. You glance over to see a beautiful woman standing there. She has long black hair, is wearing a beige trench coat. A surgical mask covers the lower half of her face. In Japan, wearing a surgical mask is not uncommon during flu season to prevent from spreading germs. She steps out of the shadows to block your path. "Am I beautiful?" she asks. Before you can answer, she tears off her mask, unveiling a hideously deformed face. Her huge mouth is sliced from ear to ear and gapes open, revealing rows of sharp teeth and big, red, disgusting, twisting, twirling tongue inside. "Am I beautiful now?" she screams. Terrified, you struggle to answer her. If you say no, she pulls out a huge pair of scissors and kills you immediately, chopping off your head. If you say yes, she takes her scissors and slices your mouth from ear to ear, making you look just like her. If you try to run away, she will hunt you down and kill you by slicing you into two. The only way to escape from her is to give her a non-committal answer. If you say, "You look average," or something normal, she will be confused, giving you just enough time to run away. There are many rumors how she got into this horribly disfigured mouth. Some say that her slit mouth was a result of a plastic surgery accident that went terribly wrong. Others say she was injured in a terrible car crash. And some believed that she was an escaped mental patient who was also demented and cut her own mouth apart. According to the legend years ago, in Japan, there lived a very beautiful woman who was extremely vain and self-absorbed. Her husband was very jealous and a brutal man, and he became convinced that she was cheating on him. In a fit of rage, he took a sword and slit her mouth from ear to ear, screaming, "Who will think you're beautiful now?" She became a vengeful spirit, began wandering the streets of Japan, wearing a surgical mask to hide her terrible scars. This mysterious creature is still at large. This mysterious creature wanders the streets of Japan and has caused many casualties. Recent reports show that she is even coming to America to do these harmful deeds. If you have any information, please contact your local police department and paranormal investigator. Thank you.